Okay, so I had a situation that I recorded and it did not record my volume. So I am re recording what I did. So here we are. I'll go ahead and hit play. I also ended up needing to delete everything because I already did it one time. And so let me see if I could get to my play button. Oh, there we go. Okay, here we go. We're playing. So I changed my settings, uh, and I think I'm going to go into that here in just a second. Oh, yes. Okay. Here we go. We're going into the settings, and I changed the settings for the layout from those tabs to multi-topic format. I just really wanted to see what it looked like, how it was used. Uh, I I haven't done any research. Is that multi-topic format the way? Is that in Move, or is that the new feature um, for Moodle? I'm not sure. I haven't got to go on to my other one. So anyway, so here we are. We're on the main page, and you can see that it's easy to click into using the course index to the left. You could click into everything, and you can see they are all lined up one at a time. Uh, the the one where there was the tabs at the top, you couldn't just click on the pencil and change the header, or the title. So I just found that this was a bonus to me switching. So I am a copy and paste kind of gal. I So I'm going to do a little bit of copying, pasting through it. Oh, we're going to start off with the syllabus, and I'm going to misspell it, but there is spell check. Perfect. And then we're going to go on down and start copying and pasting. And I think let's see. Yeah. And we're just going to keep on, go to edit here. This is, and now I'm going to paste into, and there's the, you can paste all of the information with plain text or paste it how you just got it. I actually, at this point, just did not worry about any kind of code behind what I was pasting. Uh, there just seems to be, it just seems when I'm building a course, it just seems to slow me down if I worry about whether I got some behind the code or not. And the information that I paste anyways is just merely for me to keep organized. I don't have paper format of all of these things. So to be able to see it right away is always a plus for me. Sometimes too, I start from the bottom to the top just so it cuts down on a little bit of the scrolling. This time I did not, but sometimes I would start at the last unit, um, because as you fill up those units and they expand, I forget sometimes to collapse them, and so you get the scroll forever. And so this is a just tedious work at this point, is just putting it. um, and my player, I guess this is just one of the things that I just found, is that this screen capture, when I'm replaying it, it does not have a fast forward, on anything. Yeah, I've tried a couple things to see if I could fast forward. So, but we're already in the halfway point, anyways. So here we are doing the third week. So far, so good. I really like how these things work. I do think that I will be changing where it says syllabus. I will be, I rather have that as like that, in the index. I rather it be a little bit more blurb about the course and whatnot, and then go into, um, the syllabus as a whole nother subject. I do. I My original syllabus, when I was having Chat GPT do it, it gave me a little bit too much of a, like a broad syllabus. So I asked for it to break it down into hours. I'm building this for our instructors at our school, and sometimes people like to know what to expect. I actually find that I'll probably tweak it even more, though, because finding 30 minutes to do something is sometimes really hard for the instructors. And I have one more. Okay. So this is, oh, yeah. Don't copy week 4. You've already done week 4. 1, 2. Yep. So you're going to week 5. And there we go. And there. So here we are. We're now pasting the last one. Perfect. Copy that up there. Yeah, and this is just also tedious. People think, um, we're creating all of this content, and it's a lot of copying and pasting, isn't it? Okay, so here we got week 1, week 2, week 3, week 5, nothing, and week 4. So now we're going to go ahead and move what we need to. And I'm going to first use the index. I like how it grabs it, and you just place it exactly. beautiful line that just shows exactly where you need to put things, where it's going to go. And voila, it is where it needs to go. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5. Now, that's not the only way. So you can go over to the little, I always say, tell everybody, go to the dot dot dot. And so when you go to the dot dot dot, it has choices. We are deleting the unused one. And so in the same place, you can also go and select it and move it. And so I like using it. The problem being is I don't always understand where it's going to go, even though it says it will place it right under it. But I'm not I that's not a good visual for me to understand. So there's there's always choices though. That's the thing. There's always choices to move something around. So so there you have it. We added our subjects, all of our titles to everything. It has a little bit of information of what to for me to expect on it, and we also were able to move and delete. Thank you for watching, everyone, and I look forward to seeing you again.